All our bags are 100% handmade in Madagascar using natural raffia. First, the palms of the baobab trees are cut down. Then, the leaves are stripped where the raffia is extracted from. These are then tied together and left to dry, which can take up to 3 months before they are ready to be transformed. The raffia is then hand-dyed using only natural dyes and pigments before being hung up to dry again one last time. A weaving loom is used to make the final 150 by 150 piece of raffia. A special treatment has to be soaked into the fabric to make it stronger and longer lasting. The fabric is now ready to be used and is pieced together by our female artisans using traditional techniques into our beautiful designs. A recycled polyester lining and stainless steel hardware is added, creating the finishing touches. Our aim is to bring to the market authentic, timeless, sophisticated creations. This is Good People.